kind of an interesting. This is Mark. I'm Mark. Kind of an interesting facts. Interesting facts I noticed. Interesting fact I noticed. Uh, Gen Z considers it's 22%, 22.3% of Gen Z. We're waiting for Gen Alpha to see what they say. They'll say 22% of Gen Z considers itself homosexual or something like that. Homosexual or transgender or something. 22% of Gen Z is not straight. 22% of Gen Z is homosexual or transgender or bi, and most Gen Z, over 15%, identify as bisexual. That's the most common thing. Apparently, there were some men that identified as lesbian. Apparently, there were some men. It's like something like, I don't know, sample size, something like, 12,000, something like 12,000. 12,000 sample size. They did call-ins, and Gen Z is 22.3% not straight. 22.3%. That's, less than 3% away from 1/4 of Gen Z saying that they're not straight, that they're homosexual or whatever. And again, 15%, over 15% of Gen Z identify as lesbian or identify as bisexual. Over 15% identify as bisexual. So there are a lot of homosexuals in Gen Z, a lot of male and female homosexuals, and there are a lot of people, a lot, 15%, a large portion that identify as bisexual. That's the largest category. So I wonder what Gen Alpha will be like. It might be interesting. As you go back through time, you go to Gen Y, it's less not straight, less LGBTQ plus people. You go back to Gen X, there's been like about 5% that identify as non-traditional sexually, and then you go back to the baby boomers, less, and silent generation, which was before the baby boomers, not many people. So something's going on with the media, I think.